Algorand value equivalent to $0.0956 a coin. The present reach, $0.0947. $0.0967. The earlier day close, $0.0954. The change was plus 0.0002. Plus 0.21%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.110. Greatest cost $0.119. Least cost $0.072. The normal for the month $0.095. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.080. Change for August 27.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Initially cost at $0.080. Most extreme cost $0.092. Least cost $0.062. The normal for the month $0.075. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.067. Change for September 16.3%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $0.067. Most extreme cost $0.067. Least cost $0.056. The normal for the month $0.063. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.060. Change for October 10.4%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.060. Greatest cost $0.060. Least cost $0.047. The normal for the month $0.054. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.050. Change for November 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at $0.050. Greatest cost $0.050. Least cost $0.039. The normal for the month $0.045. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.042. Change for December 16.0%. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algo to United States dollars forecasts for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.042. Most extreme cost $0.042. Least cost $0.033. The normal for the month $0.038. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.035. Change for January 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $0.035. Most extreme cost $0.035. Least cost $0.030. The normal for the month $0.033. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.032. Change for February 8.6%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.032. Greatest cost $0.034. Least cost $0.030. The normal for the month $0.032. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.032. Change for spring 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $0.032. Greatest cost $0.040. Least cost $0.032. The normal for the month $0.035. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.037. Change for April 15.6%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.037. Most extreme cost $0.037. Least cost $0.029. The normal for the month $0.034. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.031. Change for May 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $0.031. Most extreme cost $0.031. least cost $0.024. The normal for the month $0.028. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.026. Change for June 16.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.026. Greatest cost $0.028. Least cost $0.024. The normal for the month $0.026. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.026. Change for July 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at $0.026. Most extreme cost $0.032. Least cost $0.026. The normal for the month $0.029. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.030. Change for August 15.4%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.020. Greatest cost $0.020. Least cost $0.018. The normal for the month $0.019. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.019. Change for October 5.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. Initially cost at $0.019. Most extreme cost $0.019. Least cost $0.017. The normal for the month $0.018. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.018. Change for November 5.3%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $0.018. Greatest cost $0.018. Least cost $0.014. The normal for the month $0.016. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.015. Change for December 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.015. Greatest cost $0.016. Least cost $0.014. The normal for the month $0.015. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.015. Change for January 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.015. Most extreme cost $0.018. Least cost $0.015. The normal for the month $0.016. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.017. Change for February 13.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. Initially cost at $0.017. Most extreme cost $0.021. Least cost $0.017. The normal for the month $0.0